Sirius stars. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky that we can see with the naked eye, and due to its brightness, it has historically held a significant place in many cultures. Sirius is also a part of the constellation Canis Major, and is therefore referred to as the dog star. Physical characteristics. Sirius is actually a binary star system. This system consists of two stars named Sirius A and Sirius B. Sirius A, it is the brightest star in the night sky and is about 25 times brighter than the sun. Its surface temperature is approximately 10,000 Kelvin. Sirius B, a white dwarf. Sirius B was once a main sequence star, but is now in one of its final stages, being a small but dense star. Historical significance. In ancient Egypt, the star Sirius was considered an indicator of the annual floods. These floods caused the Nile River to overflow, enriching the soil. For the ancient Egyptians, this marked the beginning of a new period in the year. Additionally, in Greek mythology, Sirius held significance. It was believed that the brightest star in the sky during the summer months caused the heat. Hence, the hottest days of summer were termed dog days. Observation and space research. Sirius can be easily observed from both the southern and northern hemispheres. However, observing the presence of Sirius B is not that easy and is possible only with a telescope. The existence of Sirius B was first proposed in 1844 by the German astronomer Friedrich Bessel. The interaction of this binary star system provides insights into the evolution and life processes of stars. In particular, the study of white dwarfs like Sirius B offers in-depth knowledge about the life cycle of stars. Sirius and Shira. In Arabic, Shira or Shira means lion. However, the name Sirius is derived from Greek, meaning glowing or bright. This refers to the star's brightness in the sky. However, sometimes these two terms can be confused, especially in the terminology used for Sirius in the Arabic astronomical tradition. Conclusion. Sirius, with its physical characteristics and cultural and historical significance, is an important star in astronomy. This binary star system offers knowledge about the evolution and interaction of stars. Furthermore, it has been a significant symbol for many cultures and civilizations throughout world history. Ancient Egyptian legends. For the ancient Egyptians, Sirius was known as Sothis or Soptit. The rising of this star at a particular time of the year marked the flooding season of the Nile River. These floods brought fertility, which is why Sirius was regarded as a symbol of abundance and rebirth. It was also associated with the goddess Isis. Greek legends. In Greek mythology, Sirius is associated with the hunting dog of Orion and is hence known as the dog star. It was also believed to represent the hot days of summer, leading to the term dog days. Native American legends. For some Native American tribes, Sirius was considered the starting point of a starry journey. The appearance of Sirius determined the timing of rituals and ceremonies for certain tribes. Polynesian legends. In Polynesia, Sirius was seen as a guide for those traveling over the sea during specific times of the year. The appearance of the star marked the beginning of the season for sailors. Legends of the Dogon tribe, Mali. For this West African tribe, Sirius holds a special significance. Centuries ago, the Dogons claimed that there were two stars in the Sirius system, and that one of them was even smaller than Earth. This knowledge predates the discovery of Sirius B by modern astronomy, which puzzled many theorists. These legends illustrate the importance Sirius held in different cultures and civilizations throughout history. Besides its physical attributes, the star carries symbolic and mythological significance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. I wish everyone a happy, peaceful, joyful, and healthy life. See you.